best apps for a night out. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Bandsintown. The app is comprehensive for iOS and Android devices. You can find the most popular bands and events happening in your town. Hence, you can live a worry-free and happy life to get ready to attend the upcoming event. Gravy. It's a well-known app. It's providing nearby events that could attract you. You can find the one according to your mood and have a chance to attend with your family. The app is operational with iOS and Android devices. Barchick. It's a famous app to provide drinking services. You can get the alerts about your favorite locations and get in for spending a happy and worry-free night. Thus, nothing is more convenient than this app to tell you about your favorite spots. Timeout YPlan. This app is beneficial with quick and handy services. You'll get to know the famous bars, restaurants, pop-ups, and recreational locations to spend some time. Thus, take help from this app and get unlimited options for you and your loved ones. Foursquare. The app is well known for providing reviews about nearby places. You'll get to know which place is better and the quality of food as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.